how to record only the audio of a window, in this case again that we have opened with OBS. What is OBS? OBS is an open broadcaster software. And what is that? It's a tool that serves for record every single thing that happened in our computer, be a program, be a window, be our desktop. This video is being recorded with OBS. You can see the mouse moving, you can see this screen that makes an infinite loop of screens. So this is mostly useful for people who make gameplay, lives, to make streaming, to make every type of content that needs to a screen to be recorded. So what we want to make in this video is only to hear the audio of a specific window. But maybe you have noticed that in this video you only are hearing my voice. Beyond my voice you can't hear anything in the computer. And what is that if I don't have nothing muted? This is because in the settings I don't have the option to record the audio of the desktop. So what we have to do is go to the settings. We see the settings here in the right corner above. We go to settings, we click here, and we see this bar of options. We see stream, output, audio, video. We have to go to audio. So in audio we can see that we have the option to desktop audio. This is for record every single sound that came from our computer, that came from these four corners. Alright, so we have to click on disable and we will have to click on default. We click on default and every single sound that came from our computer will be recorded in the video. And we go to OK. You can see it now, but if I up this a little bit, you can see the OK, the tier 1 from right to left. So we click on OK, and now you're hearing other things apart of my voice. So what we will have to do next is record the audio of a specific window, remember. So what window we will have to record? In this case I put in example Stardew Valley. This is a game for record the audio of this window. But if we want to record only the window of Stardew Valley, so this is in the case, so you're seeing this window that we have the desktop mixed with the window of Stardew Valley that makes basically a salad of different windows, and it don't look very good if you want to record only the window of Stardew Valley. So what we have to go is to the part of sources that we see here, and to the plus sign that we have here that say add source. We click on this and we see all the options of recording that OBS offered to us. We see the image, we see display capture, game capture. In this case, we wanna do is click on window capture, that is the window of Stardew Valley. So we click on this. We put a name to this source. Let's put it Stardew Valley. We click on OK, and here you can see that it is selecting a window to be recorded. In this case, it's selecting an error window that are being in my computer in somewhere. So we don't want to record that. We want to record the Stardew Valley window. We click on this, and you can see the Stardew Valley window being recorded from corner to corner. So we're going to OK, and here we have the Stardew Valley window, but it is still being recorded mixed with the desktop screen. So what we will have to do is disable the desktop screen. How we will make that? We will have to go to this part and we have to click this eye. What will happen if I click this eye is that the screen of the desktop will disappear and only stay the window of Stardew Valley, the game what we will want to record. So we will have to make this a little bit bigger to cover the entire screen, and that's it. We have the screen complete for a specific window. So yes, now we're going to back. We're gonna enable again the option of desktop, and we will disable the option of in a specific window. Click here and we're back to the desktop screen. You're seeing what I am seeing in my computer at real time. So what we will have to do now, we will have to record the specific audio of the game. So we have here the desktop audio who record every single sound that came from our computer. So if you want to record only audio with no video, so you have to click in this eye and you don't see anything. It's not recording anything of video, it's just recording audio. And then you have to click on stop recording and that is you have a record just for the audio. But what happened? This desktop audio option is an option that is very general. What I try to say with this is put an example that I have the Stardew Valley open and I have a music application open too and I want to put a song. And we have also an Instagram window open and a video Instagram playing. And all that sounds are mixing and are hearing at the same time in the computer. So what happens if we want to record a specific audio with other audios playing? I mean, I'm here in my desktop are hearing all the sound, but the OBS will record only the sound of the specific window, in this case the Stardew Valley. So what happened? OBS don't came with that option. It don't makes record a specific audio from a window, but are a plugin that it can be entered on OBS that makes this option possible. So what plugin is this? So we will have to go to Google, to this forum. This is the OBS official forum. So we will have here a plugin. We will go to the part of download. Here I did it before. So it sends you to this page that we have here, the link for download that plugin. We click here and the file will be downloaded. The extension has already been entered. So what we have to do is go to the sources again, click on this, and we will see the application audio capture option. So we click on that, we put it a name to that capture. Let's put it Stardew Valley audio. We click on OK. In this case, we will select again the Stardew Valley window. We click on OK, and here we see the audios separated of the desktop and of the Stardew Valley window. And how we know that this option is working? So we will have to go. This is a song that I have downloaded before on the YouTube Studio. This is a song free of copyright. You can use it yourself if you want to make a video, and you can search it in YouTube if you want. So we click on this song, and this song is playing at the same time of the Stardew Valley window. So it makes a mix of different sounds that don't sound so clean. So if we want to separate these audios and we want to make the audio of the game and the audio of the song separate, what we will have to do is disable the option of the desktop audio. So all the sounds that are playing at the same time will not sound no more. Just sound the Stardew Valley window. We click on disable. And now you're hearing only the Stardew Valley music, the Stardew Valley environment sounds. So we click on this, we go to this part just for confirm this, and we hear that only sounds the Stardew Valley. We can see that this song is still being played. So this is how to record only the audio of a specific window with OBS. Thank you for get to this point of the video. I hope this video has been useful for you. Have an excellent day. Subscribe, get like, click the bell to notify you for other videos that we will have been uploading. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.